Hi guys, welcome. Now in this section we are going to talk about Facebook marketing. But before that, let's spend some time understanding social media marketing concept and why we need social media marketing. And why we have selected in fact Facebook among all these social platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. So, social media marketing basically refers to the process of marketing your product, services, or business on social media platforms. You will also come across terms like social media optimization, which simply means to optimize your content for social media marketing, which essentially means putting infrastructure to make it easy for your customers to share your content, like adding social buttons on your website, and then creating content which is liked so much by your visitors that they share it on social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, etc. So social media optimization basically means creating a social media friendly content and website. In last few years, social media has become very crucial, and it is imperative for business owners to address it. So whether you are a local business or internet based business, you cannot escape social media marketing today. Social media marketing is necessary activity today. In fact, even if you ignore SEO, you shouldn't ignore social media marketing. You have to understand that there is a direct relationship between your business and social media. It is critical to your success. In any business, most of the sales and marketing efforts are driven towards customer acquisition and customer retention. Both of them need different kind of treatment. Customer acquisition include taking your customers through a journey where they first come across your brand, they become aware of you, then they will evaluate your business, and then they buy from you. So this entire journey, it's also referred as funnel, and we will address it throughout the course. But you have to take your visitors through this journey before they actually become your customers, and then you have to engage them, service them, to retain them. So customer acquisition and customer retention, they both are two different activities which need different kind of treatment. Social media fortunately provide us enough tool to address both of these needs. As you can understand, it is more of a trial and error. You have to come up with the strategies, content based on your experience and perception, and then you expect to gain traction on social media sites. And that is why it is worth to invest your time, money, and effort in paid advertising, which we are going to cover in detail in this section. Because instead of waiting for our business, we should go out and chase it. These are some of the top social media sites and app. We will talk about Facebook in this section because it is mother of all. Instagram is part of Facebook network and it's huge. So when you combine Facebook and Instagram together, you have everything you need. Now, of course, at times your need will be different. For example, if you are in business to business space, you may prefer LinkedIn. But even those users who are active on LinkedIn are registered and active users on Facebook. So when you are only targeting Facebook, you are not missing out anything. And as far as other apps and sites are concerned, I have already talked about YouTube in the previous sections, and others like Reddit, Twitter, Google Plus, Pinterest, Tumblr. They have got their own market, but Facebook is like one single ocean. And if you can get it right on Facebook, I don't think you need to bother about other apps so much unless until your industry, your domain really require prominent presence on any of these tools. Now, I'm not saying you shouldn't have presence on these sites like Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn. In fact, it's highly recommended to be present on maximum sites. But in terms of paid advertising, you can for now address it on Facebook. And social media is really useful. I have mentioned some of these benefits here. You can download this file from the resource section and go through it. Your efforts on social media are highly rewarded, so try to take maximum out of it. And I have covered Facebook marketing in detail in this section. So you will have Facebook group, page, messenger, ad builder platform, Instagram, custom audience, and everything you can think of related to Facebook marketing, like Facebook pixel, etc. So you don't have to bother about Facebook section. I have covered all the tools offered by Facebook. Like Facebook can really be helpful if you are looking for email marketing. So I have got that covered in this course. And as I was mentioning earlier, that we have to take our customers or audience through awareness, evaluation, and conversion. This is the funnel I was talking about. So I will keep on coming back to this funnel, and I will address it throughout the course to make it more clearer. And here we have few more tools. So by and large, we are going to have an action packed section on Facebook marketing, and I hope you find it useful. And if you have any questions or any doubt, you can leave it on our Facebook group, or you can reach out to me with my website. Thank you.